8 September Bitcoin market update. Good morning, everyone. Very big crash yesterday. All right, so let's look at the chart on a weekly time frame first. On the weekly time frame, everything is still looking all right. Okay, we got supported in the weekly 20 EMA here, 43, 42, 800 range. Okay, down here, very well, very good, still healthy. On the daily time frame we close at about 46,800. Okay, so where's 46,800 for me? So we are close below my 618 level, 0.618 level. Okay, on the Fibonacci, and yeah, we did close on my yellow line. Okay, right here, right. So later on we will look at what is this yellow line here. Okay, so let's look at shorter time frame, 1 hour. 1 hour, we are here right now. So where are we? Okay, look to your left and you can see your neighbor on your left side. Okay, this side and this side. So down here is your neighbor on the 26th, 27th, 31st, 1st September time, the good support over here. Okay, so basically we went down and then we closed the day under my yellow line here. So basically in the very immediate short term is to get over my yellow line. All right, so you can see one up after they came down again, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we are on the 7th hour testing the yellow line. Okay, we need to get above this yellow line first. Okay, then we will talk. All right, so for this dump, right, if you have watched my videos or follow me every day on my boring video, I did talk about this red line over here. Okay, that I did say that I will be selling my things when it's reaching this red line, and then I'll be waiting for a dump. Okay, so basically I have to say is it's not financial advice, of course. I have to say that this is somewhat lucky also, because my strategy is, of course, to come up to the red line, sell my things. Okay, be prepared for a correction. Okay, that is a fact. But basically this dump itself, okay, it was in line with if you look at the news yesterday, El Salvador doing the legal tender on a Bitcoin. All right, so basically this kind of thing, it's inviting this kind of dump. All right, so of course if you have watched Twitter itself, Michael Saylor is asking everyone in the world to buy $30 worth of Bitcoin yesterday. All right, when you when you have a plan buy being sent out worldwide, right, global, you are inviting this kind of dump. Okay, so this kind of dump was kind of expected. Okay, but of course in line with my strategy that I was taking profit at this red line and waiting for a dump. This massive dump was lucky. Okay, I have to say, right? So in the event if this dump came earlier around this area, I would not have sold my things over here. Okay, so yeah, it's quite lucky on a certain sense. All right, so what is next on Bitcoin? Of course, on the upside, let's look at clearing this yellow line first. Okay, we could see this kind of movement. All right, sorry, but today the video will be a bit longer because I have to talk a lot. So we need to get above the yellow line. Okay, then of course again I have my lines here. We need to clear every lines over here right now because it was serving as support. So now it is going to be a resistance. Okay, so on the downside, let's look at over here. Downside, if we can't clear this yellow line, we should be coming down to the blue and this area. Okay, 45 area. Okay, so if we cannot hold the 45 area, then I'm looking at about 43,800, this line, and of course eventually 42. Okay, where the wick down was. All right, but of course I definitely don't think down here would be possible. Okay, if the bull run is happening. All right, so if it does come down, okay, we might be consolidating like this. Okay, all right. So yeah, so down here is actually the last layer that I think Bitcoin should be coming down. Okay, if they did come down here, then it's very unhealthy. So on a healthy side, I would say is consolidation over here, get above, sometime below, sometime above, sometime below, and then the next leg up. Okay, next leg up, of course, you can see all the EMAs. Okay, so basically on the daily, we close here. Alright, so what is the immediate short term on the daily, the target? We need to get back up to the daily 20 EMA, which is at 48,200 range. Okay, that is the short term target on the daily closure. We need to get on top, touch it. Okay, best is get above. Alright, if we get above, I think we will rocket onwards. Alright, but I don't think this is possible for now. And for this week, I think we will see some downside. So we could be hovering every day around this area or even down a bit, right? So why is that so? I'll talk about it in a short while. Okay, so on a 1 hour short-term target is this. All right, we got supported on my this is, what is this? This is my 200 EMA line here. Okay, you can see the white line, this white line here. Okay, we got supported very well here on 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour, the crossing is coming, so the 20 is crossing the 55. Of course, this big dump, it will trigger. Okay, so once the crossing, it should come down like this, then like this, then the next in terms of 4 hours, the next few days, we will be testing the 20 EMA. Okay, look at the green line, where is the 20 EMA is. Okay, we will be getting our hit over there. So once we pop over, then that's where we will go up. That's what I take. All right, so let's look at the RSI. Oh, sorry. RSI. RSI on the weekly time frame. Okay, I did have this line over here, this yellow line which I've drawn. So as we can see over here, once we got bounce and support, we will move up. All right, but of course down here we lose it, we go down, right? Okay, so there is a bounce coming soon. Okay, we went up, break this, went up in an impulsive wave. Now we are moving down. Okay, the moment it touches this or bounces from this, okay, we will be seeing another leg upwards. All right, this is our weekly time frame. Because of this, that's why I would say this week we might close this week in the downside, maybe the same price. All right, is it either the same price or we will go to 45 like this. Okay, 45 or even 44,000 maybe, in order for this line to actually come down, touch this, and then we will get a bounce, and then maybe we'll get a retest of the line, and then boom, we will be gone. Okay, the bull run will be continued. All right, but on the downside, if we come down and we don't get a bounce if we don't get a bounce, we break down, then I would say it's GG. Good game to Bitcoin. All right, good game. Then what will happen? It will be a B and C correction. Okay, right? So let me just, okay, A B C. Okay, A B C correction, we could come down to about 20,000. Okay, and then that will be a massive thing, and then which Bitcoin has not never touched the previous all-time high during any correction before. Okay, so if this happen, ABC down here loose, it will go down, bear market. Okay, so that's not what we want. Unless I'm shorting the market, then that is what I want. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. 1 hour time frame. Oh wow, we are on the floor. We are on the floor. So definitely, what I do see is that we could see some upward movement. Okay, not a lot, but some upward movement. So we are oversold lah. Basically, we are oversold previously. Okay, we are on the floor. 4 hour again we are on the floor also. Okay, start RSI also. Okay, so I do see some upward movement today when the market cools down a bit. So yeah, I think it's to me, I mean, not financial advice, and not I'm not a fortune teller. I do think that yeah, today is a good day to actually buy something. Okay, just like over here beside your left side neighbor down here is a good time to buy something. Okay, not to go 100%, but no, we are on a discount right now, so it's good time to buy something. And then if it does fall down, then buy again, of course. That's why I say don't use 100% of what you have. Okay, not financial advice. Whatever I say, it's not financial advice. I am not a fortune teller also. All right, so yeah, look at the Bitcoin dominance. Wow, Bitcoin dominance went up, came down, got a bounce, and then now we are coming down. Of course, this green line is very crucial. So the moment if we break down again, you'll see the altcoins pumping again. And of course, if you look at this green line went up and then boom boom boom, 2 hours came down, wanting to touch this green line. What that is, it says that the altcoin markets are crazy, I would say. People are still buying all the dips. Okay, buying all the dips during that big crash. Okay, so in the event in the next few hours, if we do see Bitcoin dominance coming down to about 41,580, okay, or even breaking down, we could see another round of altcoin season. Okay, what we enjoy part of past maybe 1 week or so. All right, the target is to break down from the green line and then to fall back. Okay, right, so yeah, I definitely hope to see this kind of thing. And then it's like everyone don't care about Bitcoin. AF to Bitcoin, let's pump altcoin first. All right, let's get some money. Hell, Bitcoin can just sleep at one side, for this day, this few days, this week, just close on red. And all the altcoins will start pumping because everyone got in at a very good entry. Okay, all right, so I think that's about it for today's short position. Yeah, very low. Yeah, so even it was very low, the big dump came. So definitely not whales from this Bitfinex that dumped the Bitcoin. Okay, so yeah, now it's about 8:47 a.m. Singapore time. Bitcoin is at about 47,000. Yeah, short term, get above my yellow line, then come up to here to meet this 20 EMA, also my yellow line 48,200. And then best case scenario, close the day above 48,200. This same thing. Okay, close the day above here. It will be wonderful. All right, so take care on your trades. All right, take care. Bye bye.